In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TIKR Terminal Watchlists. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a watch list, add the stocks you care about, and keep it tidy so you can monitor the market at a glance. First, open TIKR Terminal and look to the left side of your screen. In the left navigation bar, click Watchlists. This is your hub for tracking groups of tickers, whether you're following a sector, building a research list, or keeping tabs on potential entries. Next, click Add Watchlist to create a new list. Give your watch list a clear, memorable title, something like US Tech Momentum or Earnings to Watch. You'll also see an optional description field. This is a great place to note your purpose, criteria, or date range, so future you knows why these names are here. When you're happy with it, click Create Watchlist. Your new empty list is now ready. Let's add stocks. The fastest way is to click Add Ticker inside your watch list. Type the ticker symbol, think AAPL, MSFT, or TSLA, and press Enter. You should see the stock appear instantly in your list. If you're working with global markets or multiple share classes, take a moment to confirm you've typed the right symbol for the company you intend to track. A quick double-check now prevents confusion later. There's another handy way to add names as you browse. If you're looking up a company normally in TIKR and land on its overview page, click the heart icon you'll see there. That heart adds the stock to your watch list without breaking your research flow. It's perfect when you discover an interesting name mid-analysis and want to come back to it later. As your list grows, you might want to clean it up. To remove a stock, click the trash can icon next to the ticker you no longer want. This only removes it from the watch list. It doesn't affect anything else in your account. If a confirmation appears, accept it, and the ticker will disappear. Keeping your list lean helps you focus on the names that truly matter. That's all you need to get started. Open watch lists from the left bar, create a new list with a clear title and optional description. Add tickers either by typing them with Add Ticker and pressing Enter, or by clicking the heart icon on a stock's overview page and remove any you don't need with the trash can. Build thoughtfully, review regularly, and your ticker watch list will become a powerful, streamlined command center for your investing research.